So if you want to make oval like this is 3D model using photogrammetry to make it. So it's very detailed. This is just an example. I wanted to try this method. So, and this is the real oval. And I'm not designer or 3D artist. So this is literally for everyone that want to try this, to play with this. So first you will make short video. Video will be like this. So you are circling with camera around the object that you want to make 3D model. Important is to make a 30-second video. You see, I do this without any preparation, so it's clumsy. When you make this model, then you will go to this site. This is SGIF. This is SGIF site. There you upload the video and then you go here video to JPG. You upload the video. You set here 30 seconds the length. So he start taking frames from the video from 0 second to 30 seconds. And then you select these 5 maximum 30 seconds and go to convert. Then you will get 150 images from your video. You are going down. You press this download frames as zip. When you download, you unpack on some folder on the desktop. And then you have free program. This is Agisoft Metashape. Then you go here, workflow, add the folders. Then you select the folder from your desktop. You choose new folder for example, where is the oval, or new folder 2, also pictures of the oval. You go select the folder. You will get here all 150 pictures. And it shows here also how much you upload. Then you go workflow and you go align photos. Here don't change anything, just go OK. Now he is performing. Execute the process. He is now making the tie knot, I think, something like that. This is a 30-day trial version free. Agisoft Metashape standard. So 30 days you have to play with this software. This photogrammetry 3D modeling you can do in Mushroom also. It's free, but Mushroom have problem that if you download the classic version, you need NVIDIA GPU with CUDA, because without that it will not work. Or you have Mushroom CL9, Mushroom CL 0.90. It works without NVIDIA, because I have Asus RX 580. So when he do this process, you receive this image. And you can rotate, so you can already see the shape made from the dots that he processed. The next is you go workflow and you go build model. Here you can go OK. He is doing now, this is the look of the 3D model. I'm holding the phone so I cannot navigate very good with. So this is the model. You can move. He also catch the piece of the table. And you see, because I was clumsy when I'm making video, here this area is not very perfect. You will see here, you go workflow and you go build texture. And then you press here OK. And now you will see the result, how the model look according to your sequence images from the video that you made. This is maybe the longest step, but when I do all of this in the mushroom, it takes several hours. So this Agisoft meta shape is so much faster. You will see this video is now 6 minutes, so in 10 minutes you will see the entire things that you need to do to make your model from the video or images. So Mushroom is free, you can use Mushroom, and if you never used before Agisoft, you can first download that because it's much easier to use than Mushroom. Also, my phone is some piece of junk, 100 euro, so the quality of the camera and the video is not perfect. So in photogrammetry, when you have better camera and made better video, you will get the... So this is how our oval look after he finished. You see how quick he finished. He replicate literally everything. It's very amazing, at least for me. He catch even the pattern on the wooden table. And this is the look of the oval, so you can compare. And then you go here, file, and you can export, and you go export model. And then he will create object file for you. So that's for this video. Thank you.